you ever heard about the Nagano tonic, which can call it the Lean Body Tonic? If yes, stay with me because I'm here to tell you everything there is to know about this tonic, what it is, what it does, if it really works. So if you want to know all of that, stay with me until the very end of this video. For sure, it's going to be the most complete video you will see today on the internet about it. And I also have a really important alert that you must know before actually purchasing it, alright? However, if you watch it until the end and you think you need more information about it, I managed to find a link for the official website and I left it just below in the description of my video, alright? But let's go to the video, guys. The Lean Body Tonic is 100% natural, alright? So that means it has no chemical composition in the formula, only natural and organic ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, nutrients. And guys, this is the perfect tonic that will help you to lose weight, all right? It is like a Japanese elixir, so it will bring the benefits from the Easterns and really speed up your body's metabolism, stop with cravings for food, boost energy and the disposition levels, even guys boost the levels of your energy for sex life, all right? All of that in just one supplement, guys. It is super healthy because of the natural ingredients, so you don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions. It is different from anything you have ever seen in your whole life, guys, and it will really help you to lose weight. It will give you mental clarity because of the natural ingredients. So it comes with tons of benefits because of these vitamins and nutrients that comes in the formula, all right? And all you have to do is take it every single day to see these results. Otherwise, you won't see any results and you will feel very frustrated about it. The minimum treatment is of 3 months, but you can also do the complete treatment of 6 months to have the lasting and effective results that you're really looking for, all right? But just remember that this is not a magical formula. This is a natural treatment, so you must be committed to it and take it every single day, all right? And in addition to all of these benefits, they offer you a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test it for a period of time, and if you don't see any results, all you have to do is go to the official website and ask for a refund, and they will give you 100% of your money back. But this tonic, guys, has been helping thousands of people around the world who couldn't lose weight before, but now they are able to lose weight because it will target the root cause of your weight gaining. So now you will start flushing out all of the fat that is stored in your body, right? No more storage fat anymore, and you will start seeing the results in just a few weeks. But there is a but, guys. The only place you can purchase the original tonic is on their official website. That means it is not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. So remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of my video, and that is the only place you can purchase the original tonic from. Nowhere else, so keep that information in mind, alright? And this were the information I wanted to share with you about this supplement. I hope I have answered all of your questions. If you check the official website, you will see that buying the 3-bottle kit or the 6-bottle kit, you will have the full treatment in your house with lots of discounts and also receive some free bonuses like free ebooks that will help you even more in all of this process of natural weight loss. So you have nothing to lose here. Just click here so you can check out the complete information and buy the original supplement from the link below. Thank you so much, guys, and see you guys around.